Connect to your Raspberry Pi from anywhere. You see this icon? You click turn on, and then you will see this little menu. And then you click on this option over here, Raspberry Pi Guide, and it'll show you how to do the connection. You see, it displays all the information available. If the icon doesn't show, then you have to follow the instructions to install it, and you will see that icon on your bar at the right side on top. Once you install it, you go to this link over here, connect.raspberrypi.com, and then create an account. If you don't have an account, you will have to create the account, and you will use that account to connect. Okay, if you have already the account, you can log in. You will see this screen. When you get here, you can add the device, and if you already have it, but remember to add it, it has to be turned on the Raspberry Pi, otherwise you won't see it. Then after you add it, you can choose how you want to connect, either screen sharing, which is graphical, or remote shell, which is the console. Here I'm trying to connect, and you will see what happened. It looked okay, but when I try to click in any icon, it doesn't react. It doesn't do anything. It's like the screen is freeze. You see, I click in here and nothing happened. And now let me click over here and the icon of the connection, and also nothing happened. It's like a frozen screen. And what happened, the problem is that I'm connected with the VNC viewer at the same time. So I'm going to close that connection from the VNC viewer and try again. Okay, click and close the VNC because I was connected remotely with the VNC viewer. Connect again and see what happened. This time it should be okay. So that's the remote screen on the Raspberry Pi. And now it works. Okay, so now I'm connected to the Raspberry Pi through the internet. Okay, I'm going to close this window over here. So yeah, it's connected, it's working. Connected through the internet through this link. If you want to turn it off, you just turn off the option and you will lose connection. It won't be available from the internet. And to disconnect, you just click here, disconnect, and close that window. So there you have it. That's the way to connect from anywhere to your Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it, and I'll see you in the next video.